Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get this easy soft natural look right here. And I already have my eyebrows on. I'm just showing you right here the color pop option. It's in black and brown. I don't have my hair brown anymore, so that's why I use my ABH. But now I'm just taking my Maybelline baby pore eraser to prime my face. Highlight, oh my god, look at that. Beautiful. Now I'm just curling my lashes, preparing them for mascara. Today we're not going to be wearing any falsies because this is a natural look. Just taking my Maybelline Colossal mascara. You guys ignore my baby's big old head and him putting the gatita on the bed. I am sorry. Now I'm just cleaning off my lips from the foundation that I had on there, and we're just gonna be applying Carmax after this. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in my next video.